Hey guys, so I wanted to get people's opinion. I took some engineering classes just enough to know I'm dangerous and stupid, but the question is, over here we have a proper soffit, okay? Up here, for some reason that's not on the drawing plans, they bricked up this whole area. Okay, that's hollow block. This is our side wall to our neighbor. This is the front wall. As you can see, the side wall, there is a solid metal beam connecting that. You can see it on this side. And these go all the way across. Sorry. They go all the way across, and they are welded long rods. This one actually connects, and it's open to the soffit. This side, they sealed it off, but there is still a soffit on the other side. I've tried putting a little vent fan to suck out the hot air, but, I've got such a long hole. Does anybody have proper ideas if that is structural? Because they told me that's structural. I don't see how. This is hollow block all the way down, no footer. They're calling the hollow block a footer. But can't I just take a couple of the blocks out? Or a quarter of the block even. In like 2 spots, 3 spots, in order to let that hot air out to the soffit. Because it gets over 100 and something here, even with this insulation. The insulation is helped by about 10 degrees or so, which is really nice. It helps awesome with the sound. But I still need to get more of this heat out. So before I build a ceiling, I want to make sure it's done right. Because I don't want mold and mildew and everything like that. So what do you guys think? I really hope some of the engineers out there will give us some ideas, give us some help, let us know. Somebody tell us, what's really going on. Because we're trying to figure it out and see how we can fix this. And like I said, I know just enough to know I'm stupid and dangerous. So, give us a clue, guys. Help us out here.
There is a soffit. It is drilled. It is set out. But because it's not open, stuff like that happens to our poor neighbor where the soffit starts falling. They're not sealed, but I need to connect so the air comes out. So give us an idea, guys, because right now we've got everything coming just this poor one window. Help us, please. We need you. Please, Luke. Please, Obi-Wan. Is that who it was? Was it Obi-Wan? Oh, Obi-Wan, please help us. Down here, it feels great, you guys. Well, not great, but it feels better. Upstairs, it becomes boiling hot. Only a little Donna trying to be fancy with her ugly towel on her head. But it gets pretty hot upstairs, so we're trying to look for help. So we'd be grateful if anybody's got advice. Okay. Thanks for helping out, guys. Thanks for listening. What's your...
My lunch.
Yeah, sardines. I'm having Krispy Kreme for breakfast. So,
My lunch.
guys, have fun. Bye-bye.
With bread.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.